Art makes the world a beautiful place. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Art and Palette, and also to the latest portrait series wherein I will demonstrate slowly, step by step, how to go about a portrait. Today we are going to make the ears. For this purpose, all we need is a 2B 4B pencil, a Microtip mechanical pencil, a kneaded eraser and a usual one. We will first begin with two almost parallel straight lines and connecting the two with two curves. Follow along the curves of the ear with the obvious Y shape. We will use a 0.5 mm Microtip pencil for finer shading lines. Watch the video till the end and follow along to have great results. Hope you have enjoyed drawing along in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more learning tutorials coming every Friday and Saturday. Till then, bye, take care, keep drawing. Thank you for supporting me in this journey as we draw and paint along. Do like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Share the word, it helps me and you as well. Thank you. Friends, if you have any doubts or queries, do post it in the comment section below. Do let me know on what kind of video tutorials you would like me to make. It keeps me motivated to make more such stuff. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy watching and drawing my tutorial videos, please do like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.